Alright, it is a beautiful afternoon and we are going to give the $299 AR-15 a workout today. I bought this gun simply because of the price, $299 for a complete AR-15 kit. It was everything except for the lower, and it also needed a rear sight or an optic, so it's got a $16.99 red dot on it. We're just going to shoot a bunch of stuff here. I've got some tannerite, some fidget spinners, a bunch of mags. I'm going to try to respond to some of the things that people said in the first video, like can I shoot it left-handed without it hitting me in the face? Does it leave a brass tattoo on the finish? Actually, it doesn't. I thought it was, but that cleaned off very nicely. And we're just going to do a lot of slow-mo and shooting and rack up some round count and see if this thing has any issues. And the number one complaint about this rifle is that it lacks a forward assist or brass deflector, and the forward assist was not part of Eugene Stoner's original design. It wasn't added until later in the Vietnam War, where the generals insisted that they add that extra feature. Now, in my personal experience, I've owned 8 AR-15s in the past 10 years, and I have never once had to use the forward assist. But, you know, this isn't my choice for a SHTF gun. This is just kind of a backup, fun plinker. Just bought it because it was the cheapest thing out there, just to test it out. So anyway, we're going to give it a workout today and see how it performs. Yes, it will. Shoot that keg a little bit. Shoot our headshot. I can't believe how hot that is after just one magazine. Alright, now we're going to try the left-handed shooting. Will it hit you in the face? And, well, the results are clear. It will definitely hit you in the face if you shoot it left-handed. Alright, now for the test. Let's see, is this thing accurate enough to destroy a fidget spinner? Damn, I hate these things. Well, we've shot about 3 mags so far with no problem, so going on to mag number 4, and we're just going to shoot some mostly empty spray paint cans here at 50 yards. So here it is after about 200 rounds, and I cannot complain. It shoots, has not failed me once, and I'm just using some bulk Federal ammo. So a little bit of ding marks from the extraction, but that even happens on the brass deflector of a regular gun. So let's open it up and see if there's any abnormal signs of wear. Nothing out of the ordinary in there. And it looks pretty normal to me. Looks fine. Anyway, guys, that's the second installment of the PTAC Slick Side Complete Rifle Kit from Palmetto State Armory. And stay tuned. I'm going to do another update when it gets up to 500. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.